Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write password generator only using Python. Let's first import two libraries. The random library is used to generate random numbers, and string contains constants such as the Latin alphabet. Next, let's create a function named generatePassword that takes one argument, the length of the password that we want to generate. Then it creates a variable chars which contains all the characters that the password will be made of. Uppercase and lowercase Latin letters, digits, and special characters. The password variable is created using the join function, which joins all the characters selected using the random choice function into a single string of characters. The random choice function selects a random character from the chars group and repeats this length times to create a password of the specified length. Then we need to return password. The length variable contains the input function that gets the password length that the user wants to generate as text and converts it to an integer using the int function. This line of code calls the generatePassword function and assigns the generated password to the password variable. Finally, we need just to print the generated password. Now run the code and enjoy. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and I will try to create more valuable content. See you.